Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Alex from alphabushcraft.co.uk. Welcome to another video review. Today we're having a quick look at a couple of new flashlights we have in stock. This is the Mech Army PT16 and the Mech Army PT18. Now the reason I'm reviewing both of these lights together is that the outputs are very similar. The only difference between the two lights is the size, the type of battery that they take, and obviously the run times that you'll get. You get the same levels of output in the PT16 as you do in the PT18, but the PT18 will maintain the output for longer periods of time. Given that both of these lights are pretty small, I actually have a personal preference for the PT18 because it does have those longer run times, so I'll carry out the review with that. So just a quick look at the overall construction. Made from high grade aluminium aircraft quality. Nice stainless steel crenellated bezel at the front there. Simple one button operation. All modes and functions are accessed through this button on the head. One of the unique features of these lights, and this goes throughout the whole Mech Army range, is the fact that you can quickly and easily charge them up via this mini USB port. As I've demonstrated in previous videos, this can be charged from any mini USB port, including power packs. As you can see, the LED has lit up red to indicate that there is a charge, which interestingly gives you some decent room lighting whilst it's charging. And obviously once it's fully charged, the light turns green to let you know that it is fully charged. And we've got exactly the same system in the PT16 as well. Some lanyard holes at the back here for you to carry it in various ways. Nice crenellations there as well, make it very ergonomic to have the thumb in this gap here. Now let's have a look at some of the functions of this light. Okay, so from the off position you've got instant access to low, turbo and strobe mode. To bring the light on in low mode, simply press once, and this gives you the lowest mode, which is 5 lumens. On the PT18 that gives you a runtime of 156 hours. On the PT16 that gives you a runtime of 20 hours. This is a low mode with a 20-hour runtime. There is just about enough light in this mode to pick your way a path slowly. This would be appropriate for unlit pathways, paved areas, etc. Can move slowly through a woodland environment with just this much light, but you kind of have to pick your way. So as I said, superior run times with the PT18. Obviously the PT18 works on an 18650 rechargeable battery, and the PT16 works on a CR123 rechargeable. So as I said, instant access to a low mode. To instantly access turbo mode, that will involve a double click, and that gives you access to the 1000 lumens turbo mode. Astoundingly bright, really will light up any woodlands like a Christmas tree. And now that's a beautiful wall of light. You can really see everything clearly. Approximately a 150 meter beam range. Really nice floody light. Plenty of side spill, but still a good reach distance wise. Absolutely scorching on the ground in front of you. So beam shots are identical for the PT18, but as I said, much longer run times on the PT18 with minimal difference in body size. To access strobe mode instantaneously, it's a triple click, and this gives you access to the 1000 lumens variable strobe, as you can see. So to access the various other modes, switch the light on, and there's your low mode again. Press and hold to ramp up to medium mode, and this is enough light to move through a woodlands environment at a decent rate without fear of hitting overhanging branches or not being able to see the ground clearly in front of you. Again, press and hold to ramp up to high mode, into the high mode. Now this really does light up the woods beautifully. You can move quickly through the woods without any problems whatsoever, and you can see a good, say, 60 to 70 meters ahead. I can identify trees clearly at that distance. And again, press and hold to get you up into turbo mode. Press and hold again, goes back down to the lowest point in the cycle, which is the low mode of 5 lumens. So it's good that you can access low, turbo and strobe instantaneously. Interesting triple LED setup there with a unique reflector in there. Not designed for huge throw, although it does throw out to approximately 140 meters. Really does produce a huge wall of light, and if you need to find something quickly, then definitely highly recommend this. Another useful feature of the light is if you from off press and hold, this takes you into turbo mode, but will only stay on for as long as you keep the button depressed. Another useful feature of the light is if we take it into strobe mode with a triple click and then press and hold, this will turn the light into SOS mode, 3 blasts followed by 3 pips, repeated. And then to switch off, simply press the button again. When the light is on, one click will always turn the light off. Both lights come with their own battery, so no need to worry about buying batteries or charging them, because obviously the charging ports are recessed within the head of the light. If you're worried about accidental pocket actuation of the button, then you can simply untwist the back end cap, just give it a little twist, and the light will switch off, and then this nullifies the button and the light cannot come on. This should not interfere with the IPX rating of the light, which by the way is rated to IPX 8, meaning it is a submersible light to depth of no greater than 2 meters. Nice pineapple texture on the body of the light, giving a decent amount of grip. So some good thought has gone into this. As you can see, nice fins here to help with heat dissipation, and it's just a tiny light. That's what's great about them. Lots of function in a really compact package, particularly the PT16, which, as I said, has pretty much the same runtime, has the same output on high, which is 1000 lumens. Obviously both lights are capable of tail standing to give you room illumination if necessary. So that's the Mech Army PT18 and the Mech Army PT16. Unique lights now available at alphabushcraft.co.uk. I hope you found this video review useful. Please check out the links below the video to access this and many other interesting and unique products. This is Alex signing out for now. Thanks for watching. Take care.